Wow! What is this glowing watch?
That is not a normal watch.
Then what does it do?
It can take you through time.
You mean to the past and the future?
Yes, but you must use it carefully.
I want to see you when you were a kid.
Then press the blue button and hold tight.
Whoa! Where am I? Everything looks old. Hey, who are you? What year is this?
It's 1995. Why are you asking?
Look, 1995? That's when my dad was a kid! Jake? That's my dad's name.
Wait, are you saying you're from the future?
Yes, I'm from the future. That's impossible! My dad gave me a glowing watch that can travel through time.
A time travel watch? That sounds awesome.
My dad's name is Jake, and you said your name is Jake too.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean I'm your dad.
My dad told me he had a red bicycle and a tree house.
Wait, I do have a red bicycle and a treehouse.
Then it's true. You were my dad when you were a kid.
Wow, that's crazy.
Dad always tells me to be brave.
Huh. That sounds like something I would say.
I wish he could see this moment.
Maybe he already remembers it.
Watch is glowing again. I think it's time for me to go back.
Wait, tell my future self something.
Tell him he becomes a really cool dad. I will. Goodbye, young dad.
Goodbye, future kid.